So I just sprayed this down. I actually sprayed it down with chisel a few minutes ago, and now I've sprayed it down one more time. And the chisel has a degreaser in it, so it kind of breaks up all the grease and the splatters, so it's easier when you go back in to just wipe it out. Right now I got a wet rag doing my first wipe out, and then I'll go back in with a dry rag. And make sure you get all the little creases if there's anything in there. And I'm going in with my dry rag. Starting at the top, because this will be your last wipe out. So you want everything to fall to the bottom of the microwave. Do it. I'm actually going to spray this with the chisel really quick and wipe it and clean it off.
That's so amazing.
Replace the tray. Double check, make sure you got everything. Alright. You always want to go back and double check your work and fix it as you go. Then you can shove it and wipe down the outside. Also, if there's any buildup along here, you can use your orange scraper. Just run it along there, and if there is anything in there, it will pull that out of there.